In front of me is VIVO X200 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to tap on notifications and status bar. Then scroll again and click on newest next to app notification management. Now choose one of those options to sort your apps: newest, most frequent, all apps, or off. And when you're ready, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or white ones to switch them back on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!